channel. Hey, what is this thing? I cannot even read it. Laneke, yeah, maybe. So, can you decode it? Hey, what's up, everybody? Akshay Sansofan here, and everyone wants their own secret password. So, must be thinking that how we can create their own password every time your friends decodes it. So, in this program I'm going to make program that will generate a unique type of unique type of code that will be only decoded using Python program, or else it will be very hard to understand, and it is type of crazy thing too. So let's start the video without wasting some time. So first, we do not need to import any type of module, anything. Just we need to make some variables, and this code maybe easy for some, but it is very difficult. So first we need to take the code. So I will name it as input. Then input command using this. I will code in here. Enter your message session. So we can create as long as the message could be one paragraph, two paragraph, and the whole thing will be encrypted, and it will be de-encrypted in the source machine where it will be. So input is equal to input. Now I have to store it in a name. Okay, not name. Code is equal to input. Okay, amazing type, funny type of variable, but input, and then we need to do this certain command in here. We need some, this is the main thing, square brackets, and then we semicolons two times, and then -1. So this is the important thing that runs the whole command system. Semicolon -1. So all the code will be in the link in the description, so you don't need to worry. Then after it, we print the code. Okay, code. So let's run it. So we need to enter our message: like, subscribe my channel. Hey, what is this thing? I cannot even read it. Laneke, yeah, maybe. Yes. So, can you decode it? It is generally that if you will copy paste, you can see Ctrl+C, and again run the program. Enter your message. So it has a this small little program, this you looking like very small, but it is of very high users, and it is very amazing. So the same message we will type here by Ctrl+V, this thing, and like, subscribe my channel. So what is this thing doing actually? It is actually, you can see that it is reversing. So this like is reversed and channel is here. So I will again run it and show you more perfectly. So if I write Akshay, then Chika. Okay, let me tell you by entering a small word boy. So what is this doing? Boy to yob. It means that B is come here. It is generally reversing this thing. So boy is converted to yob, and everything that you are writing is being converted. So this is the thing, and this yob could be again converted using this tiny little program that you can run on any interpreter, that is Visual Studio, Python, Thorn, or Notepad. So this is the thing. You can give it, you can supply this code to your friends and enjoy your secret code. So like, subscribe, and share for more videos like this. Thank you.